Okay, the first thing that you need to do is go down at the bottom here into the Windows search bar and type in idle, I-D-L-E. Idle Python. Your one probably be 32-bit. I've got a 64-bit. Regardless, just click on this to open. Once it opens, if you get this window here with the little triangles on the side, what you need to go ahead and do is make sure you do File and New File. File and New File. We've got a brand new blank notebook here, so I'm just going to resize that window. Okay, I'm going to go back to our task, and the task says print hello world, and then press F5, run it, and see what happens in the new window. All right, so I'm just going to do that. So I'm going to go here, do print hello world, and I'm going to go ahead and press F5. I could press F5 on my keyboard, or I could do this, run module. Same thing, shortcut is F5. Says you need to save it. You guys must save it in your OneDrive. So scroll right to the top, find your OneDrive, and save it in your OneDrive. Create a folder called Year 8 or Year 9, depending on what year you're in. So Year 8 Programming. Okay, and in that folder, you're going to double click onto that folder. So OneDrive, Year 8 Programming, and this is going to be lesson 1. So I'm going to write L1. I'm just going to call it Hello World. Press save. That file is saved, and now it runs. This was the window I've typed in, right? There's my code, and this is the output of that window, Hello World. Thank you very much.